Hi everyone, this is part of our Bodha Knowledge series. We've come to one of a friend and a customer's place where we are trying to gather a lot of traditional knowledge, what she has taken from her grandparents and her parents. You see, these are all brass and bronze stuff which has been with her and at home for more than 60, 70 years or even more than that. Just to give you an idea, these are all bronze pots and we have a brass containers also. She uses all these things every day for her regular cooking and for regular storage and serving purposes. This is actually a kaya urli. It's actually made of 5 metals. This is something that's so unique that we are yet to find a good cluster which still makes it. This is the most important thing for which we will come. It's called the Rukmani Cooker. This is actually a 60s model that she has, but there are older ones and bigger ones that are family, I believe, which can cook for up to 10 people. So the cooker, I'll just show you inside. It has actually got steel compartments, but the original ones are all made of brass with tin lining.